Just chilling to this video, bro. Welcome to another video of Red Street Daily. It's your boy Roddy, just bobbing and weaving and just bobbing my head. Just I don't know. Music is pretty good. But anyways, this is part 2 of the oil filter housing gasket reseal with the oil cooler as well. And I hope that you liked the last video, and now this is part 2. And as usual and as always, we're just gonna dive right into it. This video is gonna have a little bit of a bonus, the part that I kind of teased you with in the last one. In this one, I won't be teasing you anymore. And I hope this video helps, and I'll see you, and let's go. Man, let's get into the video, bro. Let's go. So right here, you see I cleaned up the oil filter housing, and look at the seals. This seal is literally done. Like, it's no good. Look how it's pressed out. It's not even rubber anymore. I'm just plucking it out right now. Crazy, right? Now I'll switch it over, and now it's the other side. This is on the cooler side. You have to replace it because it's no good. Like, it's not holding the oil anymore. And if this seal breaks in the wrong direction, it could actually leak into your coolant and actually end up damaging the engine. This seal is not even rubber anymore. It literally so hard that it just breaks. Like, look at this. So now I'm just replacing the seal on the engine side. Like, it goes in fairly easy. Like, just pay attention to where it goes into. Anyone can really do this. And there's these little divots inside of where the seal goes that actually holds the seal in place so it won't fall out. So right here, I'm just cleaning off the surface with some brake cleaner before I put the oil filter housing back in. Just catching the bolts right now. But then what I did was a little extra. I take some silicone spray and I spray in the, like, basically on the surface a little bit on the inside. So this way it could seat and hold a better seal once it's on there. Alright, this is very important. Whenever time you're tightening the bolt, you want to start from the back side and then you work your way across. Just like how you would, tighten the lug nuts on a wheel. You gotta remember that the seal is on there and you don't want to make the seals lopsided or not even. So it's best way you do that. So right here, you are to make sure that you drain the cooler, because just like this, if you do not drain the cooler properly, you can actually get oil into the coolant and coolant into the oil. So you don't want to have that happen. So make sure you drain the cooler properly before you install it. So here's the bonus. This part here, I think I paid like $20 for it. It is actually an adapter for the water pump hose that comes up to the cooler. And when I found this on eBay, I was just like, what? Like, I was like, I don't have to replace the hose because the hose is like $40. And I found this little thing here for like $20. And I was like, you know what? It is worth it because it saved the headache to get down to the bottom to remove the whole entire hose from from the water pump. And it just, whoever came up with this thing, God bless your soul, man, because you just saved my life or everyone's life that's been working on this car. So it's a replacement. All you gotta do is basically cut off the tip of that, the old one, and just reinstall it and just follow what I just did right here, and you're pretty much good to go. Tell me how convenient this thing is. Like, look at that. Goes right on, bolted right up. You don't have to worry about nothing. Would this break anytime soon? Nah, bro. Easy, cheesy, lemon, and with the squeezy. Alright, everything's back together. Let's see, turn it down. Everything's in there. So this is the first startup, 1, 2, 3, and we're really ready to go. So yeah, it's very easy. You know, a little hand coordination and technical skills, you should be able to do this no problems. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. I'm cheesing because I just recorded something funny. But yes, I hope this video helped with the situation of if you have an oil leak on an X3 or in any case any BMW from 2002 to 2009, I think it is. This is how you replace the oil filter housing gasket along with the oil cooler gasket and the hose to go down to the water pump. That's very important that you replace that as well. But with a little tip, you don't have to replace the whole thing. All you gotta do is go on eBay and buy that part and you're pretty much good to go. But I'm laughing cheesing because I want to say just watch the video to the end. I was messing around with the songs on YouTube and I really like the song. I was just fooling around with it. Yeah, it's funny. It's funny. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And trust me, with this information now, you will be saving a ton of money, and I would suggest that you just watch this because now you know the knowledge to how to do it. So you're looking around saving yourself at least $600 to $1,000 on this repair. And yeah, man, just go for it. Just know that these cars are known for these problems. Once they get up to 80,000 miles to 150,000 miles, these things has to be taken care of. enjoy, and I'll see you next one. And just enjoy this nonsense that I just did. It's crazy. Anyways, peace. I've been playing with the music on YouTube, and I found this one song that I really like. I just gotta do it one time. Just gotta do it one time. Where you at? Where you at?